Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. Today we're going to talk about 5 types of remodels that you should consider for your home.
So the first item we're going to talk about are kitchens, which are typically on the top of everybody's list. The main thing, firstly, would be to make it more usable, more friendly, easier to get around for you and your guests. And then, of course, appliances. Installing new appliances is a great thing to do. They're more energy efficient, dishwashers use less water, and then they're smart, so they're Wi-Fi, so you can control them when you're away from the house. And then, of course, the surface materials. Quartz is a great new product we're using. It's antimicrobial, it can handle heat far better than other surfaces. So a lot of cool things to do in a kitchen.
Just make it prettier. The second type of remodel that we suggest you looking into is the bathroom. So much like what Mike was saying, it is one of the most used places in the house.
At least in our house.
I don't know who doesn't go to the bathroom. So there's so many things that you could do. If you have a small space, you could just start by getting rid of the tub and then making that into a walk-in shower, and it really opens it up, makes it feel so much bigger. Updating fixtures, the plumbing fixtures, your toilet, your faucets, all of those things to upgrade, to make it more water sense, and also just updating, giving it a new look, new feel. Storage in your bathroom, all of those things can really change the look and the feel of that space.
Item number 3 on the list actually touches on storage a little bit. So we all need more storage. We all have so much stuff these days, and it's not as hard as you think. You can start off by changing the storage that you have in the closet. Instead of just a shelf and a rod, you can do built-ins that are far more dedicated to certain items. You can even do built-ins in a bedroom rather than just having stuff sitting on the floor. And then, of course, a spare room that you don't even use can be made into a storage / walk-in closet.
The next item on our list is painting and wallpaper. So we have painting in every single job that we do, and it can radically change the look of the space just by changing color. And that could be the whole room, that could be an accent wall. You could go bold with a color, which is very trendy right now, is to go bold with one wall in the room. And you can also do the same thing with wallpaper. So yes, wallpaper is back in style, it's back in. And an accent wall with wallpaper is beautiful. Or maybe it's just to jazz up a certain room in the house, like your powder room. And painting and or wallpaper, great way to go. Great way to change your space.
So the last item on our list today is landscaping. We all know how awesome it is when you drive by a house and landscaping's beautiful, but it's more than just that. It does create curb appeal, but it can also be, especially a well-designed landscape, can use native materials. So you're going to use less water, easier to maintain, drought tolerant, freeze tolerant. Besides that though, it can also add security to your house because of lighting. So the lighting not only adds beauty to the landscaping at night, you can use the lighting to light up dark areas that might be a little bit suspect late at night. So not only is it curb appeal, but it adds security as well.
We hope you learned a lot on this edition of Remodel Your Thinking, and if you like what you saw, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And we love wonderful comments, and check us out on all of our social media, and we'll see you next time on Remodel Your Thinking.